Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So this week I'm going to be dropping a lot of resources for you to use, key points, for subjects where you can go check it out. Don't worry, I'll show you. I think I should just drop everything today so you can start studying. All right. Now this is the Lekki Headmaster, the summary questions and answer, the PDF download. I'm going to be showing you. So this is it. Everything is here. Everything with your questions. Words and meaning, words that you can get from the text, learning their meaning. And this can also come out in your JAMB exam. Are you with me? Synonyms and antonyms, you get a lot of questions from them. So make sure you know all these words, okay? So I've put them here. This is over like how many you have to drag down to. This is chapter 3. It's 12 chapters. Let me just quickly scroll. You see everything. This is quite a long post, and the answers are at the end. The answers to all the questions, you see them at the end. Okay, so this is where you can get it. You can get it on dtwtutorials.com. Just come here to academics, come to tutorials. Okay, I put the Lekki Headmaster in literature, so when you come to literature you would see it. Let's go there so you see what I'm talking about. All right, so literature. When you come to literature, okay, where is it? If you search in literature, you should see it. Okay, look at it here. All right, and in literature, you have other key points that you can work on. Don't worry, I'm going to do a video on this. All right, so the dtwtutorials.com is a fantastic website for you to get your resources, read. And one more thing, I just want to quickly go back and show you something. So if you don't want to read on the website, all right, if you don't want distraction, you can download the PDF quickly. So when you come here, it's a free PDF I've done, so it's free. I've put it on our store, DTW Edu store. So all you need to do is just click here. All right, let's close this ad. If you don't want to read online, so it's gonna take you so it's going to take you here, and it's a free PDF. All right, let me just show you also how to navigate it from our site. If you come to dtwedustore.com, okay, we sell courses, materials, books, scratch card to check your results. So all you need to do is come to courses, textbooks, and edu materials. All right, come down here. These are some key points that we have here, which you can download PDF. It's 500 naira. All right, but the Lekki Headmaster is free. Okay, so just come here, click, just follow the procedure. It's quite seamless. You don't need to pay. It's free. But if you want the key points, very wonderful key points, 92-page, everything about chemistry is here. Is here. Okay, can you see literature, government, CRS, and we're going to be out with physics very soon, biology and economics. Okay, you're going to see it here. So 500 naira, and anyway, I would share with you where you can get more resources. So this is where you come to the site and you download your Lekki Headmaster and have the PDF on your phone, and you read without the internet. Okay, all right. But if you want to read online, you have to go to our website dtwtutorials.com and read online. Don't forget the S, dtwtutorials.com. All right, so this is where you get the Lekki Headmaster summary questions and answer PDF download freely. All right, you can download from here. As I said, click on this link, download, or you can read down to the end of the chapter with the answers. Everything here is also in the PDF. All right, so you're destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He's coming back soon. Okay, so please study. This is a brief summary. This is a summary of the Lekki Headmaster. You can finish this in a day and go through the questions in a day. If you want to get the DTW JAMB CBT app, it will also help you with questions on the Lekki Headmaster. The Lekki Headmaster novel is in there. For the app, it costs 4,000 naira to activate because it has all your subjects in it, digital past questions in it. I encourage you to get it to practice. If you also want to join our online classes, you're welcome to join us. You are destined to win. See you in our next video.